the prices of crude oil are dumping exactly as I mentioned in my last video towards the downside, and well, most probably a new lower low will be made. What I am expecting from crude oil this week, and plus gold and silver as well, I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Right now I am on the crude oil's daily time frame chart, and well, exactly as I mentioned in my previous videos, the same thing is happening right now. I told you all that there are very high chances prices of crude oil can go all the way down till $56 level, and most probably they will dump all the way down till 55.3 or below 55.3 to make a new lower low. And we are seeing, as you can see over here, because if I zoom out and move to the weekly time frame chart, you can see the prices of crude oil is in a downtrend for a very long time from 2022 approx. But if I take some recent years from 2023, high, lower low, lower high, over here lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and there are very high chances of a new lower low to be made over here. And it is in a downtrend obviously. Last time also the price of crude oil tried to go below this $55.8 mark, but it failed. But this time let's see if it goes below it or not. There is a very crucial support over here, but I'm still expecting the prices of crude oil to at least reach $55.3 level. If it comes at 55.3, then I'll consider taking a long position, because if I zoom in, you can see the price of crude oil is dumping towards the downside consistently for the past 4 days. The sellers are kind of, I would say, exhausted, and the price of crude is oversold. So I'll enter in a long position only if the price of crude oil comes at minimum of 55.3. but again I'll look for some another conviction as well. Talking about silver right now, and well, the prices of silver are just skyrocketing towards the upside. In my last video I told you all that the prices of gold and silver has to dump towards the downside because they are already overbought, and well, we have seen a parabolic pump in the prices of silver and gold, and this type of pump represents a bubble, or I would say overbought scenario. Well, and I'm not wrong at all at this point, but it's just the matter of time when the prices of silver and gold will collapse, because they are just pumping towards the upside. Like the S&P 500, I mean, that is also overbought and in a bubble, but let's see when that bubble will pop. I mean, this bubble will not pop when everyone is expecting it to pop, obviously. That's the beauty of this game. But right now in silver and gold I'm not taking any trade, because the prices of gold and silver are near its all-time high. As you can see in gold also, prices of gold are slowly coming towards the upside. Personally, I'm not taking any trade, and again, no financial advice. Do your own analysis and comment down below what do you guys think. But in long term, I'm still expecting a dump in the prices of gold and silver. Short term, even I don't know, because as you can see, the prices of gold and silver are just pumping in a parabolic manner, and going short on an all-time high level is very risky, especially in gold and silver. So I also don't know what can happen in the next coming weeks, but overall long term I'm expecting a huge dump in the prices of gold and silver. And most probably if I see a good reversal pattern on the weekly time frame chart, then I'll enter in a short position. But for now I'm not taking any trade. So well, as you have heard, the prices of crude right now are dumping towards the downside, and I'm expecting it to dump a little bit more, and I'll enter in a long position then. But for now I'm not taking any trade in crude. Talking about gold and silver, well, they are very uncertain, so it is better for me to stay away from them and just observe the charts, what is going on. And I'm not taking any trade in gold and silver for now. What do you guys think? Will you take a trade or not? Comment down below. And again, no personal advice or any type of financial advice. Do your trading by yourself. Don't listen to anyone. These are just educational videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.